Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Myduty Nurse Calendar app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Myduty is a nurse-focused scheduling and calendar app designed to help healthcare professionals manage their shifts more easily. It allows nurses to create, track, and customize their duty schedules with options like day shifts, night shifts, on-call duties, and rotating patterns. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is widely used by nurses working in hospitals, clinics, and other medical environments. One of the app's main features is its intuitive shift management system. Nurses can color-code duties, share schedules with colleagues or family, and sync shifts across devices. It also helps teams coordinate by allowing group schedule sharing, making it easier for entire departments to stay updated. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, easy shift editing, and the ability to collaborate with team members. It helps reduce scheduling conflicts, ensures better planning, and supports nurses who work irregular or changing shifts. The reminder system also helps avoid missed duties. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain advanced features require a subscription, and some users report occasional syncing issues when sharing schedules across multiple devices or with teams. In addition, the app's customization options, while useful, may feel limited for nurses with highly complex rotating schedules. In summary, the Myduty app may be worth using if you want a simple, organized, and shareable way to manage nursing shift schedules. However, if you need highly advanced scheduling tools or prefer fully free apps with limitless features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.